A very good morning, everyone. Dear 8th standard students, in this today's class, we are going to start with a new chapter that is called as squares and the square roots. Okay, so in previous class, we have discussed about exercise 3.6. So, next chapter is about of geometry, quadrilaterals. About that, we are going to do in the next part. So we'll start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 5. I think yeah, chapter number 5, and that is squares and square roots. So without further delay, let's try to solve the exercise. So exercise 5.1, exercise 5.1. Okay. So the first question of that is, it's very simple questions. Two or three I'll do it here. Rest you can try it at home, because these questions are very simple. So what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? So first question is, what will be the unit digits of the following numbers? Okay, what will be the unit digits of the following number? So you know that the numbers, the digits, unit place, tens place, hundred place, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So that you know the places that we, from the right side, we count from the at the last. So that is first place in unit place. But here the question is, try to understand the question, what will be the unit digits of the following what will be the unit digits of the squares, digits of squares, squares. Okay, squares are the following numbers. So the given number is given, the number is given, in which we can make a square, and the last unit digit you must write. It's very simple. I'll do it. First one, for example, first one you can see, this is 81, 81, right? So unit of 81 is, you know that, 81 square, right? 81 square. So here it comes, the unit places comes as 1 only, right? So 1 square is nothing but 1 only. So I'm going to write here, what is that? Answer is 1. It's very simple, children. Okay, so I'll do it one by along with this, but you have to do it one by one in the notes. Okay, so wherein second one, it is also very simple, 272. Okay, 272. So you need to make the square of 272 whole square. So 2 2s are, unit place is 2, so 2 2s are 4, so it becomes 4. So answer is 4. Got it? Which is just a very simple. And then third one you can see the third one. So what is the third one? 799, 799. So you must make a square, 799 whole square. Correct, 799 whole square. So you just consider the last digit. Okay, so 9 nines are 81, so it comes as 81, right? So last digit is 1, so I can write the answer as 1. Okay, it's very simple. And the same way, next we take the 4 digit number, that is 3853, 3853. Then we need to make a square, 3853 whole square, right? Then 3 threes are 9, so answer becomes 9, children. Okay, it's very simple. So in this same way, that is a 1 2 3 4 number is given, so last digit to consider, 4 4 is 16, 16 means last digit 6. Okay, so answer becomes 6, right? You do it, do it. And next one is, I'll tell you the answer. If I do it, it's take more time, so I'm just going through it. And just next one is 26387, 5 digit number. So it is also very simple. So it is of sixth one. I'll do it one more, that is 26387, 26387. So you need to whole square it, 26387 whole square. So 7 sevens are 14, so last digit is 4, isn't it? So last digit is, sorry, 7 sevens are, sorry. So 7 sevens are 49, isn't it? 49. So 49, so last digit is 9, so answer is 9. Okay, in the same way you have to do it for all other problems, right? So fine. So next we shall do another problems. In the same way, there are 10 problems are there. Okay, 10 problems. Last one, 10th one, I'll do it. 10th one. So look at these are very simple problems. Even 5th, 6th standard child can able to do this. Very simple one. So sixth one, there are digits are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So last digit is 5. 5 square is 25. So again answer comes as 5. Okay. So in this way we are going to write this. So this is the you can see here what will be the unit digit of the square of the numbers. Square of the numbers unit digits will be this. So you need to consider the last digit. You need to take the last digit and make square of it, and then write the last digit of it. Okay, it's very simple. Do it in the same way for the problems also, right? So next second problem we shall see. Second one given in a textbook, that is the following numbers are obviously not perfect squares, give reason. So these are numbers are perfect, not the perfect square. For example, 4 is a perfect square. 4 4s are 16, right? 5 5s are 25, 6 is the 36, right? So perfect squares. Why perfect squares? Because perfect squares ends with a 0. Okay, perfect squares ends in a 0. So here let's try to see that. So question I'm going to write that what following numbers are not perfect squares, give reason. The question is the following numbers are not perfect squares, give reason. We need to give the reason why these numbers are not a the following numbers are not perfect square. We need to give the reason why these numbers are not a perfect square. So in that first one we are going to write it 1057, right? So I can write perfect square ends with a 0. So we know the this one on notation that we must write here perfect squares ends with a 0, isn't it? Perfect squares ends with a 0. So here the number 1057 is not ending with a 0, right? And they can only have even numbers of zeros at the end. Okay, and one more this one notation I can write, they have even numbers at the end, right? And they have even numbers at the end means the unit place, right? End means unit place. Here you just check this possibilities. So first, perfect square ends with the 0. Is the number is ending with the 0? No, it's not ending with the 0. And second one, they have even numbers at the end. Is it even number is at the end? No, the number is 7 is odd, isn't it? You know the odd and even numbers. Fine, so we can write that therefore 1057 num 1057 is not a perfect square. Okay, so we can write that 1057 number is not a perfect square. It's very simple, right? In the same way, second number is given 23453. Okay, second number is given, which is 23453. So here we check the conditions. You have to write there. We need to check the condition. Perfect square ends with the 0. Is it ending with the 0? No. First condition is not there. They have the even numbers at the end. No. Even numbers 3. Odd number is there. Therefore I can write directly. Therefore 2345. Sorry. 23453. Sorry. Therefore 23453 is not a perfect is not a perfect square, right? It is also not a perfect square number. So in the same way you need to write the for others. There are how many? Eight problems are there, so you need to write for that. Okay. Got it. So next we can see fourth one. Third one, do you do it? It's very simple. Fourth one, I'll do it. Fourth one. Fourth one. So what is the fourth one? 2 is repeated 6 times. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2 is repeated 6 times. Is it a perfect square? Okay, it ends with the 2. This number, you can write one sentence for all that. This number is ends with the 2. Therefore, this is a perfect square. So we can write this is a perfect square because this number is ends with the 2, right? So and then okay, for example and another I'll do it, the fifth one. Let's try to see that. 64000. Okay, 64,000, there's a number. So it has three zeros at the end. The perfect score can have only even zeros. See here the zeros are odd. 1, 2, 3. There are three odd zeros, right? We can write one sentence here. Here three zeros at the end. Three zeros at the end. Here three zeros at the end, right? But perfect square is having even number of zeros. So perfect square is having even number of zeros. So here the numbers are sorry, the numbers are odd. Okay, three numbers. Therefore I can write, therefore this is not a perfect square. Therefore this is not a perfect square. We can say that this is not a perfect square because 0 is there but the even zeros must be there. So here zeros are odd, so it is not a perfect square and it has no even number at the end, right? So it is not a perfect square. Next sixth one, we shall do it sixth one also. So sixth one says that 89222. It has a next number 89222. Let's try to think about that. Let's see the condition. So first condition is perfect square ends in a 0 1 4 5 6 or 9. So here the condition is the perfect square ends with 0 and other numbers also. Sorry, I didn't tell you. 0 1 4 5, okay, 6 and 9. Okay, so the condition is perfect square ends with the 0 1 4 5 6 9. These numbers should be there in the unit place, or they have the even numbers of zeros, right? Even numbers of zeros at the end. It has two conditions. Let's try to see that. So the number should be the unit place should be 0 1 4 5 6 9. So is there 1 4 5 6 9? No, right? Therefore I can write that directly. It is not a perfect square. So I can write directly it is not a perfect square. Next, seventh one we shall do it. Seventh one. So seventh one. 2 2 2 3 3 3 2 2 2 and 3 zeros. Is it a perfect square? Is it a perfect square? No. It is 0 is there, but the zeros are odd numbers. Odd number, 3 zeros are. If suppose it have 4 zeros, so it will be a perfect square. Therefore, you can write again as it is not a perfect square. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 5 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 6 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 9 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ 0 1 4 5 6 9 ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನಂಬರನ್ನು. 0 1 4 5 6 9 0 1 4 5 6 9. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ even numbers of zeros at the end. Okay, second condition ಬಂತು there should be even numbers of zeros at the end. ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಬಹಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 1 4 5 6 9 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ರೂ ಇವನ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಆಡ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇವನ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಇವನು 4 ಇವನು 6 ಇವನು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಥರ ಇವನ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು. ಇವನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. 0 ಇದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಇವನ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ 3 ಝೀರೋಸ್ 3 ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 2 2. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 2 0 0 0 0. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? ಯೆಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ವೈ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಏಯ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏಯ್ತ್ ಒನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಏಯ್ತ್ ಒನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ 5 0 5 0. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 5 0. ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 0, ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ it is not a perfect square. Therefore it is not a perfect square ಅಂತ ನಾನು it is not a perfect square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು because it has only one number at the unit place. Okay, it's only one number at the unit place. So ಎರಡು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 5.1 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಮೇನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ odd numbers. Squares of which of the following are the odd numbers. ಆಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ which of the following are the odd numbers ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನು 431 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 431 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ it will be also an odd number. Therefore its unit place is odd ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ನು, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊ 2826 ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? 6 ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯಿತು. 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 36 ಆಯಿತು, ಹೌದಾ? 36 ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, 6 ಬಂತು. 6 even odd, so even number. So you can write therefore this square will have even number. Okay, we can write therefore this square will have even ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ 7779 ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? 7779 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 9 ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. ಸೊ 9 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 81 ಆಯಿತು, ಹೌದಾ? 9 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 81 ಆಯಿತು. 81 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 1 ಆಯಿತು ಫೈನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ square will have ODD, odd number. Okay, so I can write this square will have odd number. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 3 ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಮಟ್ಟ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸು 5.1ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 4th ಮೇನ್ ಇದೆ, 5th ಮೇನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 6th ಮೇನು, 4th 5th 6th ಮೇನು ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆದರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಬಾಯ್.